Hi, we're Zack and Lina. This is our truck. We've been working on outfitting it with the best of the best. So we just got our Vecel installed today, and we love it. It's absolutely stunning and so practical for what we need. And then we have a tune camper that we got, and this is just gonna be perfect for every adventure that we go on.
We did the Tundra with the tune and the Vecel through a lot of research, and we are super excited with our decision.
Yeah.
Well, this is pretty much the first glance we've gotten at it, and it's insane. It's perfect. It's just detailed, finish work, carpentry, and with the tune itself, I just think the combo is a dream.
It's perfect.
We do a lot of wildlife videography stuff, so we got to be able to go up high on the hillsides, and can't do that with a pole trailer, can't do that with a hard shell. And the only thing we didn't have was this insanely perfect design inside.
Exactly.
Where we're going to be able to make
it's like a little office on wheels.
Yeah.
Got some cool trips planned, so hit some roads, maybe get some snow. Taking the Alaska Marine Highway out of Bellingham and then just getting up there and getting very far out. Honestly, I just think it's perfect in a whole. Like the color, the drawer, it's just like built to last, and you can tell immediately, as well as like how big and deep these drawers are. There's just so much room for storage, and I love that.
It goes back to that finesse finish.
Yeah.
Like, the carving is amazing, and the texture is amazing. The marine grade is next level, and the hinges themselves just real efficient.
Yeah.
And I'm honestly looking for something not to be psyched about, and I don't have anything.
Yeah,
So.
it's perfect.